Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Steam initialization failed. Steam initialization failed is an error message that can occur when you try to launch a game. Now to fix this, you need to first make sure that you restart your Steam application. For this, click on the crossbar on the top right corner. After this, you need to run Steam as an administrator. Now locate your Steam application on your PC. After this, right-click on the Steam application. Then here you'll be able to find Run as Administrator option. Click on Run as Administrator. Now PC will ask you if you really want to allow a Steam application to run as administrator. Click on Yes option. With this, now your Steam application will also open on your PC. Initialization failed may occur sometimes due to the specific game errors. To fix this, you need to verify integrity of game. For that, go to your library option on the top. After this, now select the game in which you are having the problem. Now right-click on the game. After this, here you'll be able to find Properties option. Click on Properties option. Now go to the Local Files tab. That is your installed files option. Then here you'll be able to see Verify Integrity of Game Files option. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now you need to wait for the process to be completed. After this gets completed, then try launching the game again. For this, click on the given game and then here you'll be able to find Play option. Click on Play. Now see if the initialization failed option still is there or not. After you complete this, you can also check for updates on your Steam application, as sometimes initialization failed can occur due to the updates. For this, click on Steam option on the top left corner. Then click on Check for Steam client updates. After this, you need to wait for a few seconds to see whether there are updates on your Steam application or not. If there is any of the updates remaining on your Steam application, then click on Update option. With this, now you'll be able to solve the initialization failed on your Steam application. This is how we can fix Steam initialization failed. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.